Okay, today we are going to do an unboxing here. The new equipment to support our meeting. Yeah. Because we need this webcam, I guess, to have a clear kind of picture. And then this webcam here is an HD widescreen HD 720 pixel video calls and a clear live stream calls on Skype. I will easily record videos to share later. Yeah. And this one built-in noise reducing mic, enjoy clear conversation even in busy surrounding. C270, and then here is Logitech. The brand is Logitech. The flexible HD webcam that goes beyond built-in. Small, agile, and adjustable, it brings a whole new angle to video calling. Now let's see what's inside. There we go. Okay, so inside the box here we have this one. So this is the camera, I guess. There we go, the box, and then now let's see what inside. Okay, here we have the instruction box. Yeah. Okay, and then this is the tools. Okay, Logitech, and then it is using a USB, so it is plug and play, guys. But to be honest, it is not a wireless thing. Yeah, maybe if this is wireless, that will be a better one. Yeah. And then hopefully for the next video we are going to record this. We're going to make a recording using this webcam, and then let's see the quality of the picture. Yeah. There we go. I hope this will be a solid kind of webcam. Yeah. And then Logitech Europe. Okay. That's all what inside here. There we go. That's all, I guess, for the unboxing here. The new webcam, Logitech, the flexible HD webcam that goes beyond built-in. I hope this will be a better one. Yeah. Okay, that's all for the review for the unboxing of this webcam, and then we'll try to make new video using this one. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. The last saya Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. There we go. Okay. This is a solid one, I guess.